in triangle ABC, determine the length AC. Sine C cos C, tan C sine A cos A, and tan A. So below is the diagram, okay, of the right angled triangle with the point A, B, and then C, and we are to determine the length AC. Sine C cos C, tan C sine A cos A, and then tan A. So I welcome you once again to my channel. So today we are going to solve this question. I hope you are ready. Okay, so we are going to solve this question today, and I always urge you to subscribe to the channel. Okay, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share the videos also. Alright, so let's solve this question. So there we have the right angle triangle, that is triangle A, B, and then C. Triangle A, B, and then C. So we have the side B, C to be what, 4.62 centimeters, and then we have the side AB to be what, 3.47 centimeters. So we have the side BC to be 4.62 centimeters, and then AB 3.47 centimeters. Okay, so once again, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Okay, all right, so let's move on with the solution. So first we have to determine the length AC. The length AC, okay, we have to determine the length AC. All right, so the solution. So by applying Pythagoras theorem, we know that AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square equals AB square plus BC square. Okay, so AC is equal to what? The square root of AB square plus BC square. AC is equal to the square root of AB square plus BC square. So let's substitute the values. So we have the square root of 3.47 square plus 4.62 square, and that is going to give us what? 5.78 centimeters. So the side AC is what? 5.78 centimeters. Okay, 5.78 centimeters. So that is what we have here for the side AC, 5.78 centimeters. Okay, so let's move on. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. All right, so the next is to determine sine C. Sine C. So sine C, so that means our angle is going to be somewhere here. Okay, sine C, so our angle is going to be somewhere here. And if the angle is here, that means BC, the side BC is going to be the adjacent, and then AB is going to be the opposite, and then AC is going to be the hypotenuse. Please take note of it. If we have the angle at this point, then the side BC is going to be the adjacent, and then AB is going to be the opposite, and then AC is going to be the hypotenuse. So we have the adjacent to be 4.62 cm, opposite to be 3.47 cm, and then the hypotenuse to be what? 5.78 cm. Okay, so let's solve for sine C. Sine C. So sine C is equal to what? The opposite over the hypotenuse. So opposite, which is what? AB over AC, AB, which is the opposite, over AC, which is the hypotenuse. Okay, so we have 3.47, which is the opposite, and then 5.78, which is the hypotenuse. Okay, so when you divide 3.47 by 5.78, we are going to get what? 0.6. I hope you are following it. Okay, so let's move on. So we are to determine cos C, and that is going to be the adjacent over the hypotenuse. Adjacent, that is BC over AC, BC over AC. Okay, adjacent over the hypotenuse. So we have 4.62, which is the adjacent, okay, BC, over 5.78, which is the hypotenuse, AC. And when you divide 4.62 by 5.78, we are going to get what? 0.79. The next is to determine what? Tan C. Tan C. And tan C is going to be the opposite over adjacent. Opposite, which is what? AB, over adjacent, which is what? BC. Okay, so we have AB over BC, which is 3.47, which is the side AB, 3.47 over 4.62, which is the adjacent. So the opposite over the adjacent, 3.47 over 4.62. Okay, that is what we have here, 3.47 over 4.62. And when you divide 3.47 over 4.62, you are going to get what? 0.75. I hope you understand. Okay, so let's move on. Now we are to determine what? Sine A. Sine A. That means our angle is going to be somewhere here. Okay, sine A. I hope you understand. So if our angle is here, that means BC is going to be the opposite side, and then AB is going to be the adjacent side, then AC is going to be the hypotenuse. Take note of this. If we have our angle at the point A here, then it means BC is going to be the opposite, and then AB is going to be the adjacent, then AC is going to be the hypotenuse. Okay, all right, so let's determine sine A. Sine A is going to be what? The opposite over hypotenuse, that is BC over AC. Okay, opposite over hypotenuse. So we have BC over AC, and BC is what? 4.62, and then AC is what? 5.78. So we have 4.62 over 5.78, and when you divide 4.62 by 5.78, we are going to get what? 0.79. all right, so let's move on. So we are to determine cos A. Cos A, and cos A is going to be adjacent over hypotenuse, that is AB over AC. Okay, so we have AB over AC, and AB is what? 3.47, and AC is what? 5.78. So we have 3.47 over 5.78. So when you divide, we are going to get what? 0.6. I hope you are following the steps. Alright, so let's solve the last one, which is what? Tan A. And tan A is going to be the opposite over adjacent, BC over AB. BC over AB, opposite over adjacent. Okay, So we have BC over AB, and that is 4.62 over 3.47. BC is what? 4.62 over AB, which is what? 3.47. So that is what we have here, 4.62 over 3.47. And when you divide 4.62 by 3.47, we are going to get what? 1.33. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to the channel. Okay, subscribe to get more videos from this channel. Thank you.